Hey guys, welcome back to the bench. I have got 3 super exciting things for you today, and they are all new tools. Let's take a look. So firstly, we have added a geared reduction motor to our rolling mill, and this frees us from the pain of having to hand roll everything. Truth be told, a rolling mill is one of the most important and versatile tools we have access to here at the shop. It allows us to roll out things like ring shanks or sheet stock for working on just about anything. The issue used to be that we had to hand crank it, like it was the 1800s, but now, none of that. I've got a secret project coming up that I can't tell you anything about just yet, but it relies heavily on having this motorized rolling mill, and it's gonna be amazing. So make sure you look out for the video for that. Next, we've finally got a decent gemstone cutting machine. So I've got another super secret project that involves this guy and that guy. Now this is a ruby bull, and naturally, like I said, that's a gemstone cutting machine. So I'm going to cut some stuff, and it excites me because now we can cut custom gemstones for our custom mountings. Lastly, as all of you guys know that watched the videos where we made this entire area that I'm standing in, everything over here is converted out of solid poplar custom cabinetry. So I went ahead and picked up another one for us to build the 3D printer into, so we can have that in our work area as well. And those are the 3 new additions, guys. I am thrilled that they are joining the work area, because even if it was only one of them, they so vastly expand the things that we can do that it just boggles the mind. I can't wait for the new amazing projects that we'll be able to do with our new rolling mill by having our 3D printer here at hand and being able to cut gemstones right here at the bench. If you guys have a set of tools that you think we ought to have, or if you'd like clarification on anything that you have ever seen here in the work area, leave it down in the comments and we'll make a video about it. We always hope you'll hit that like button, and you should definitely hit that subscribe button so you'll get notifications when we make videos using these new amazing tools. And until the next time that we see you, it is always a pleasure having you here with us at the bench.